Okay, so last night I sent out to the group that I've seen a lot of half and half setups. And so as you can see here, when I say half and halves, this is what I meant. And go through the tutorials. It's explained in there when to look for half and halves. But as you can see, this is just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. See how easy this is? It just drifts. And this took these before I went to bed. And it just drifts right into profit. 73 pips, 74 pips. And this is the Euro NZD. There's more. Let's go to GBP NZD. And see, 78 pips there. It's just beautiful. See how easy that is? See, it comes up. I told you guys that spongy bob flattens out, and then drops. So it'd say 77 on this one. And how many was on the other? Let's take a look. 75 now. Ooh-wee. 75 on that one. I'm recording this because you just can't make this up. Can't make it up. I told you the ocean wave trade. Oh, now that's 82. Let me switch it up. 82 pips. 82. Okay. All right. Come back. Might be 500 of them. Huh? But let me get to the next one. Then I went to the indices, and I like that. And as you can see right here, a nice little Tokyo drift. This is what I was trying to teach you guys. I told you guys, especially those who came to my free Wednesday class. Every Wednesday I have a free class open to the public now. And you'll be able to attend through my Zoom class, okay? But as you can see, downtrend, another half and half. But look what happens. See, it goes here. I told you guys, this is what they do during the Asian session. They pull it up, pull it up, pull it up, stop hunt to the main wave, and then drop on people. You see that? Okay, so that's 600 pips or 60 pips, whatever, 600, 608 for NASDAQ. Okay, and then let's go to the S&P. And look at there, just hitting them. Okay, hitting them. Let's go to 30 minute. Okay, and you can see it. I told you guys, pull it tight so you can see the actual wave move. So you can see the move. Okay, see, they did the same thing again. It waved up, encourage buyers, and then it's dropping on them. See that? Buyers are thinking, okay, it's time to buy. They stop hunt you, and this is what happens. You're thinking it's time to buy, and they stop hunt up, and then it drops. But now that you have this system, you can see exactly what's been going on the whole time as to why most retail traders are losing their money. You see it now. You're not blind to what they're doing to you. You see it, and it's just drifting profits into my pocket. Very easy money. Okay, let's say 172 on that one. Did you drop the last number? All right, now let's go to this one. And, oop, there we go. 16 pips now. Okay, so it's climbing, it's climbing. Now, all you did was just look for the arrow. I told everybody there's a bunch of half and halves. I told them last night. I warned them. I said there's some half and halves. So this one still got some time to go. So that's another 17 pips right there. Now, in full transparency, let me show you this. The only one I closed out, I didn't lose this trade. But let me go to this and show you guys when I get cautious. And I say, let me just close this myself. So I was in this trade late. I got into it too late, to be honest with you. This one had drifted down way too far away from the main wave. And I told you guys go through the tutorials, because when price action moves away from the main wave too far, then it's going to find a way to drift its way back up to the main wave, which you see it did. Okay, which you see it did. So that one is the only one that I was upside down on a little bit, not much. But why I closed it, there's a particular pattern I don't like seeing, and that is this. See how when price action consistently stays above the neutral zone on a lower time frame, that could be a sign that, yeah, see, that could be a sign that it's about to go up the other way. So if I actually wanted to take this trade, and this is looking like this is the 15-minute neutral, price action is above, so that's why it's neutral. 30-minute is still showing sell. See, it's still too confusing, so you don't want to bother with this trade. But what it looks like it's forming, and if I go to the 5-minute, you'll see it. Boom, there it is. See, 5 minutes in, hey, slowly, we are drifting upwards. But because this is too early, I don't want to take this trade because it's not a half and half. It's too mixed up, and most of them are still saying sell on the lower time frames. So I don't want to jump into this, but you can see that it's consistently staying above. So eventually we may get an arrow on this 15-minute, and I'll wait for a half and half setup. I need more confirmation from my moneymaker before I want to touch this, but that's the reason why I simply just closed it out for full transparency, and it wasn't that many pips, so not that big of a deal. Okay, so if you ever see this happening and price action is consistently staying above on these lower time frames, it could be that it's about to turn into a half and half, meaning that it's going the other way, the opposite direction. And this here is where the daily is. The daily is still showing that it wants to go up, but see the 4 hour is showing down. So realistically, you leave this alone for now. Okay, so I just want to show you everything so that you guys are very clear. If you're ever in a trade, because, you know, hey, price action moves, you know, it does what it do. So as you can see on the 30-minute, it's still showing down. On the 1 hour, it's showing neutral, but it's under, price under. So this could come up and do a spongy bob. It could be doing that spongy bob and then come back and boom, drop. Either way it goes, I just didn't like it. So once I don't like it, I just take my money and run. Why sit there and, you know, worry about that when you got these other beautiful ones that's running in profit so nicely? So that's what I did. All right, so I'm gonna be closing these out. The reason why is because it's 5:40 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that means that it's Friday, and so that means that the market is going to go back into the other way, which is into its reversal pattern. So you don't want to be greedy. And price action to move consistently very far away from the main wave. So eventually it's going to stop, found some bounce room support, and then come back up. And I don't want to lose all this money. Okay. All right. And again, I'm just showing you how to, and this is actually a prop firm account. So I'm showing you how to flip small prop firm accounts using the ocean wave trade system. Remember, you used to use a lot of trades by taking trades before you went to sleep, and you wake up and you lose money. With the ocean wave trade, we actually are now taking the market back. All those stop hunt moves and everything they were doing to the retail trader, we just took our power back from them. Okay. All right. So I'll see you guys on Wednesday. Remember, my free classes are every Wednesday at 8:30. I open the doors at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I'll always keep the Zoom link in the description below. See you in the next video. Oh, one more thing. Do not forget that you still have time to join the Signals group for the $1,000 giveaway challenge as well with Miss Jenny and the Signals for Mr. Elvis. So you still have that opportunity as well. Don't miss out.